Hey, welcome back to the shop. Did you know that you can get a bare tool Rikon bench grinder? This is an 8-inch, and that's exactly how it came. And the good news about that, or depends what you're doing, but if you're buying a slow speed grinder for sharpening, more than likely you're gonna buy one and eventually want to get rid of the stuff that came with it and get yourself two of this. This is CBN wheels from Wood Turner Wonders. That's an 80 quid and that's a 220. So if you're looking at the whole thing and you bought the actual Rikon grinder, which is about 400, 300 something dollars, and close to 400, let's call it 400, and then you're more than likely going to remove the stones and remove the guards and everything else, and wind up buying more than likely two of this. For this are about 170 bucks a piece. I'm in Canada, so I'm talking Canadian dollars here. Yeah, that's what Trudeau likes, you know. But anyways, this I picked up from a place called Woodchuckers, and it comes exactly like that. You get the grinder with a plug and two nuts. Unbeknownst to me, you need to get two washers. Having said that, the people at Woodchuckers here in Canada, believe it or not, I didn't even know. And by the time I got home, I get a phone call, and it's one of their employees, and it's telling me that they forgot to mention that I should have picked up two sets of washers. And so when I say, can I give you a credit card or something, and because I live like an hour and a half away from it, and they say, no, just give us your address and we'll mail them to you. And they apologize for not telling me. It's not their job really, but they were amazing. I never been there before, but anyways, so this compared to $400 cost $149, which means that if you went with the actual full grinder, which you'll wind up removing most of the stuff, and then you wanted to buy these two wheels, you'll wind up spending around $750 compared to, if you do it this way, the whole thing cost $490, which means that's $260 difference, and that means like more than one and a half of this guys become free. So anyways, I don't know where else you can get a bare tool right on low speed other than Woodchuckers, but I didn't even know they existed. And because that's my beef when I look at grinders, I just don't just look at the price. I understand that more than likely the stone that comes with it is going to be a piece of crap, and you know, you'll, even if you buy a regular stone, you'll probably buy a better one. So anyways, that's my video. I'm just passing that along, and I hope that helps you. Anywho, catch you the next one. Ciao.